Liles jumper is good. Suba. Pass to Likayan. Likayan drive. Back to Suba. Suba for the rebound. Change favor. Didulo. Gandang pasa naman by Didulo. Good for Suba and Felix. Suba. Supal-pal ka dyan. Didulo. Didulo to Liles. Liles. Good for Suba and Liles. Felix. Sumakto pa yung pasa. Sanchez. Sanchez spin. Sanchez jumper. No. Suba. Paso Robles. Robles for three. Suba. Paso Robles. Paso Sanchez. Sanchez jumper is good. Change favor na po tayo. Likayan jumper is good. Nice defense by Ferrer. Jose, step back. Mobilia. 11 seconds to shoot. Robles for three. Back to back 3-point shot by Robles. Still by Ferrer. Oy, umupo pa. Ang bait ni Ferrer. Good for 2 by Kiambao. Likayan for 3. Bang! Likayan for 3. No good. Directo. Good for 2. Likayan. Likayan layup is good. Last 20 seconds remaining. Liles. Good for 2 by Liles. Pass break again. Wala. Good for 2 by Kiambao. Direkto na naman.
Nagigil eh.
Mobilia for 3. Air ball. Lima by Liles. Liles jumper. Air ball. Good for 2 by Mobilia. Dollars for 3. Bang! Kiambao, may lakad na naman. Pati si Paolo hinahanap. Foul by bonus shot is good by Kiambao. Ferrer for 3. Wala rin mga by Mobilia. Pass break to Felix. Nag-isa. Felix. Easy basket. Ferrer to Estolas. Pass to Directo. Gandang pass naman. Miarito. Good for 2 by Miarito. Nice assist by Estolas for 3. Bam! Back to back 3-point shot by Estolas. Sanchez for 3. Bang! Didulo pa bawi. Bang! Yun nakapa. Back to Didulo. Pass to Felix. Felix for 3. Bang! Didulo. Pass break to Kiambao. Kiambao. Kinaliwa pa. Good for 2 by Kiambao. Dito si Valines. Dito si Maestolas. Paso Carlos. Carlos. Good for 2 by Carlos. Nice assist by Maestolas. Felix for 3. Wala. Liles. Malakas. Good for 2 by Panton. Sanchez. Good for 2. 2 seconds. Likayan for 3. Bang! Puro. Narciso for 3. Wala. Rebound by Directo. Intercept. Good for two by Narciso. Sanchez. Easy basket. Nice assist by Robles. Likayan to Robles. Robles. Gandang pasa naman. Ferrer. Ay. Pina yung bola. Jose for three. Bang! Favorite shot. Good for two by Lakanilaw. Robles to Merito. Favorite shot. Lista muna by Merito. Ditulo. Nakamadali. May lakad talaga. Pinasa kay Liles for three. Bang! Paso Liles. Supal-pal ka dyan. Liles jumper. Is good. Supal-pal. Robles. Good for two by Robles. Good for two by Ferrer. Nastay na ito. Good for two by Kiyong-Pao. Carlos for three. Wala. Sanchez. Good for two. Estolas to Ferrer. Ferrer for three. Bang! Ferrer for three. Bang! Back to back 3% by Ferrer. Nice. Pantola. Pantola for three. Wala. Narciso to Liles. Liles for three. Bang! Gandang pasa naman. Basket counted here. Foul by jersey number. Mobilya nagmamadali. May lakad din. Good for to my Mobilya. Sanchez, supal-pal ka dyan by Liles. Nice block. Pass break. Kiambao. Pinali. Ay, tumingin po. Good for two by Kiambao. Ha? Kiambao for three. Bang! Pinakitaan si Agustin. Ferrer for three. Wala pa rin. Direktor. Wala na si Direktor. Good for two by Robles. Nice assist by Mejarito. Still by Narciso. Good for two by Narciso. Mobilya for three. Bang!